The cork plate attaches to your belt sander's steel platen. The cork plate cushions the platen, allowing it to remain flat, but still have a little give. Over time, the cork will wear down and eventually begin to crumble. Replacing the cork plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt from the belt sander. Now I can remove the platen. The cork is held to the platen with adhesive. I'll use a heat gun to soften the adhesive so I can remove the cork. I'll use some brake cleaner to remove the rest of the adhesive from the platen. Now I can install the new cork pad. I'll remove the backing from the adhesive. I won't pull it completely off of the cork at this point. I'll place the cork on the platen and align it, and then stick it in place. And now this assembly is ready to go back onto the belt sander. I'll align the platen with the holes on the base. Then I'll align the reinforcement plate and secure it with the screws. Before I tighten the screws, I'll make sure that the platen is square to the sander. Now I can reinstall the belt. And now you know how to install a new cork plate on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.